Okay, so for the second to last day of school, you are going to join the Marvels and one of the Marvel Avengers and escape from the Hydra base. So you are going to go through here. You can play alone or you can play as a group, but you are going to play on one device. So assign your friends and family superpowers based on this. You can race each other. So you guys can all, if you're family and friends, you guys can actually join this together. And then, so if you and a friends want to do this, you guys each pull this up at the same time on individual devices. And then race each other around the house or at each other's houses. So you're going to assign yourself different names. So for example, let's say I want to have super strength. So I'm going to say deadlift, Mrs. Prater. Okay. And then let's do this. And then lockdown, and you're literally going to start putting these in order. So it says deadlift. So this is me, and you got to click and see. So let's say I say, okay, A is going to come first. I choose this one, and oh, it's wrong, right? So I got to click back, and I got to go through. So I recommend having a piece of paper with you because that kind of helped me a little bit. It took me about 15 minutes, but then again, I was interrupted a bunch of times. So just go back and click through. Have fun, 8th graders, and have a great Tuesday, a second to the last day of distance learning school.